Hi everyone, I'm Alexis Breton from Naotic, and I'm going to tell you about Aliabox smart lockers to charge, secure, synchronize, and distribute your mobile devices. Your target is to anticipate IT breakdowns, to ensure regular updating of workstations, and to maintain your devices in operational condition. For all these situations, Aliabox offers a centralized remote replacement service without assistance. Here's an example. Emma, an employee at your Manchester site, is experiencing a technical problem with her laptop that requires urgent replacement. She contacts you to request a replacement. The IT department in London receives Emma's request and books a device on the Alia Connect interface for remote management. Her booking is just a click away. A code is transmitted to give her immediate access to replacement equipment. Emma has received her code and goes to the Aliabox locker at the premises. She enters the code, which immediately gives her access to the charged and updated replacement device. She returns her defective equipment, then closes the door and confirms the operation, which validates the drop-off. This action makes the compartment unavailable. The Alia Connect centralized supervision tool warns when faulty equipment has been deposited and provides a global view to optimize equipment recovery and on-site restocking operations. A technician goes on site to collect the faulty equipment. He has a quick access to the lockers containing the devices. He replaces defective equipment with new ones and restocks. The devices are connected via a wired network for easy updates and remote maintenance, then plugged in to allow charging. Would you like to implement a smart locker solution that can be managed remotely and without assistance to improve your productivity? Think Aliabox and contact us on naotic.fr.